Hi everyone, hope you're well. Today I'm going to have a quick look at the unboxing of this Levoit Compact True Hepa air purifier. Recently myself, the girls, the wife etc. have all been sneezing a fair bit, what with it being quite hot weather, a lot of hay fever and so forth, dust around in the house and that. Fancy buying one of the Dyson air purifiers, but they're quite a lot of money, so I just thought we'd try something like this. The reviews on Amazon were quite good. The idea with this one is, because it's supposed to have a night light and be really quiet, is pop it in the girls' bedroom. Two problems solved in there: make the air quality better and a night light for them. So have a look and see what we get in the box. So we get instruction manuals, and the actual main unit, which feels very light, to be honest. This was on Amazon at the time of getting this here, which is what, beginning of July, for £79. I think the price varies up and down, it fluctuates, they do different models as well, and the filters I believe are around about £25–30. So we've got a caution label on the top that's telling us to remove the air filter from its packaging before we use it. Now this is the UK version, so which is why it's got a moulded UK plug on. Obviously you can buy it for other areas as well, such as Europe, USA, etc. It uses 25 watts, I'm assuming that's when it's on full power. Here, I'm not sure if you can see it on the camera, it says open and lock, where we can remove the base. Like so. And inside we have the filters. Now we have, it's to use the two clips to pull them out. As so. Yeah, you can see the rest of the machine. Yeah, fan on the motor. So we'll take the filters out. So we have a fine mesh and carbon. We pop that back in the way it came in, out with the tabs at the bottom, and then line this back up to the tabs there. There we go, and then lock it. On the top we have some touch controls: power, light, I'm assuming that's a filter change indicator, and then use speed for your fan. We'll also remove this while we're here, because I believe that's where the light is. So a nice compact unit, ideal to sit on a desk or on next to a bed, rather than having a big floor standing unit. So that's on speed number 2, that's speed number 3. So that's its noisiest, which is pretty quiet, to be honest, it's not drowning out my voice. And then number 1, which is the quietest. I don't think that would annoy you on a night, to be honest, I think that's quite quiet. And then we have the light. So we have 3 stages for the light. We have full on, dim, and end off. So here we have it in the girls' room, ready for tonight. It's just starting to get that now. It's on the lowest setting, the night light's on full. As you can see, it's very quiet, so I don't think it'll disturb them. And the room does already feel better. It's been in about an hour, and it does feel a lot fresher in here already. So there we have the Levoit air purifier with nightlight. Thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed the video and found it useful. Please like and subscribe, and hope to see you again soon. Be safe out there.